7 indoor plants that grow from leaves. Number 1 is African violet, also known as St. Paulia. Propagation. Cut a leaf with a stem and place it in water or moist soil. Roots and new plantlets will form. How to take care. Bright, indirect light, keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. 2. Jade plant, Crassula ovata. Propagation. Place a leaf on moist soil. It will sprout roots and a new plant. Care. Bright, direct sunlight. Let soil dry out between waterings. Before we move on, subscribe to the channel number 3. Snake plant, Sansevieria trifastiata. Propagation. Cut leaf sections and place them in water or soil. Roots and shoots will develop. Care. Tolerates low light, water infrequently. 4. Begonia species. Propagation. Cut a leaf and place it on moist soil or water. New plants will form. Care. Bright, indirect light, keep soil moist and ensure good air circulation. 5. Peperomia species. Propagation. Place a cut leaf in water or soil. Roots will develop. Care. Medium to bright indirect light. Allow soil to dry slightly between waterings. 6. Kalanchoe species. Propagation. Place a leaf on soil. It will develop roots and new growth. Care. Bright indirect light. Water infrequently. 7. Zazate plant, Zamioculca zamifolia. Propagation. Place a leaf in water or soil. Roots and shoots will appear. Care low, light tolerant. Let the soil dry out completely between waterings. Tips. Use clean tools, provide a warm, humid environment, and be patient.